haven't done that in a while. I just noticed that. I used to do it all the time in the video. But anywho, I'm showing you my new product so I can wash. And you know, I always kept saying this was my 4-wheel baby. I had 2 4-wheel babies. And that is not true. This is actually 6-wheel. So this is my 6-wheel baby. I only have 1 4-wheel baby. So my 6-wheel baby needs to be washed. My Fuchsia's Freedom Traveler needs to be washed. So I'm taking this opportunity while I'm out and about at a state park, Lums Pine, and I'm going to wash it. But I brought a new toy. So I brought a power washer, which I think is much better than what I did last time when you saw the video about Florida and those love bugs. But I think this is essential to saving you some money versus actually, because I hear to go and get your RV washed and maybe detailed, they can be close to a couple of $100 just to have someone wash your RV. I'm not kind of planning to pay that kind of money. I take this as exercise. So this will be my exercise, but also will be saving me some money. So I decided to, as always, where do Cheryl shop? Amazon always. So I decided to go to Amazon and get me a power washer because we were in Florida and one of the guys had a power washer. I'm like, you know what? I got to get that. So I got one, and this is my new power wash. I'll put where I got it from, Amazon. I'll put all that on the screen so you'll see all that. But you know me, I always got to get the little bells and whistles and everything. So I got extra heads. And then again, I'll show you that on the screen because I brought extra heads. But this is a pretty neat power wash. And then also it has a little thing for you can put soap in it. So you can also wash it. But I'm going to do it a little bit different. I'm not going to really necessarily use this to suds it up, but I'm not sure. But you'll see in the video. But this part is just to show you my new power wash. It wasn't that hard to hook up. I didn't think you wanted to see all that hookup. You can kind of see that, but it has a little nozzle. I had to put this together. And then it has pretty long hose. The hose is pretty long. Even the power cord is pretty long. So I'll be showing you in this video how I use it since this will be my first time using it. So let me show you a little clip on how to remove the head. So it's a snap-on. Excuse the nails. That's why I'm doing this before I repolish my nails. But here we go. So you just push down and it pops on out. And push. But I'm learning. Sometimes if I don't put it all the way down right, when I turn it on, the piece flies. So I almost lost a couple of them already. But I'll show you what this one looks like when it squirts. So here you go. I'm not saying it's a quiet machine, but so far we'll see how it works. I'm gonna show you the video of me washing it. This is my first time using it, so. But it's pretty easy to work. So let me just show you how. I should have showed you how I took it up, but I'll show you how I bring it down, and I might even show you how to bring it up. So it has a little button down here. So all you do is you lean this back against my vehicle, hit the M button, And little by little, it starts collapsing itself. Look at that. It takes one person. Isn't that pretty neat? I'm going to show you me bringing it back up. And this is the size of the ladder. So I'm going to show you me putting it back up. So simply do this. It is done. Here's another handy tool to help you keep your hoses and other electrical cords and stuff organized. Again, from Amazon. It is called Rapid. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. It was great filming it. It was hot outside, so it felt good washing and getting wet. So see you in the next video. Peace, love, and happiness, my friend. Bye-bye.